Olá, hi, tudo bem? Some time ago, I made a video on Portuguese regular verbs. If you didn't see it yet, you should. Go find it. Today, though, I'm talking about Portuguese semi regular verbs. That's right, semi regular verbs. Before I get into it, let me just welcome you. If this is the first time you are on my channel, welcome. I'm Pedro. I'm here to help you with your Portuguese. Okay, let's dig in. So, semi regular verbs and vowel shift will be focusing on vowel shift. And that's because I wrote vowel shift because there are semi-regular verbs where we have consonant shift. But maybe for another video. Today we'll be focusing on these vowel shifts. And in that case, we are talking about the third group of regular verbs. So if you remember the third group, we have these endings. This is partir as an example. So partir means to departure or to break. And you see the endings in blue. Eu parto, tu partes, ela parte, nós partimos, elas partem, o, os, e, imos, em. So these are the endings that belong to this third conjugation. Again, if you haven't seen my video on Portuguese regular verbs, maybe you want to pause this one, go and watch it, and then come back because it will be easier for you to follow along. Okay, so this is the example of a regular verb third conjugation. And then, as I said, we have a vowel shift when we talk about semi-regular verbs, where from E we go into I, but that's only in the first person. So let's see. Mentir means to lie, so this would be an example. So you see it's in the third conjugation, IR. And eu minto, first person, there's no E, but there's an I. So therefore the vowel shift from E to I. But then we come back to our E. So eu minto, tu mentes, ela mente, nós mentimos, vocês, elas mentem. The endings, they are exactly the same. That's why I insist these are actually regular. It's just this little thing, this little quirky thing in the first person. But other than that, they are quite regular. So another example would be despir, which means to undress. You see the first person, eu dispo. It's not eu despo. No, we change vowels. Eu dispo, but then we go back to our E. Tu despes, ele despe, nós despimos, eles despem. Oh, there's a M missing here. Should be an M. Elas despem. Okay. So again, the endings, they are the same as in a normal regular verb. Now, we also have a shift from O to U. Okay, and that would be, for instance, dormir, which means to sleep. You see, eu durmo. Again, it's only in the first person. Eu durmo. And then tu dormes, ele dorme, nós dormimos, eles dormem. Or to cough, tossir, same thing. Eu tuço, tu tosses, ela tosse, nós tossimos, vocês tossem. So vowel shift, first person from O to U. Now, I'm not saying that all verbs in the third conjugation that have either a O or E in stem will follow this pattern. No, but oftentimes this will be the case. All right, I think I've covered everything I wanted in this video. Again, I might make a new video on semi-regular verbs, but then focusing on consonant shifts because those are real as well. But for now, I'm quite happy and satisfied. So if you have any questions, any comments, just write them below and I will see you soon, I guess. Fica bem e até breve. Tchau!